Hi everybody. Okay, in this video I'm going to teach you how to tune the guitar, how to tune your guitar to play with this slide. So I have this, like this transparent one, but also you can have this one, or there's a bunch of like styles. So this is a G major tuning, sounds like this. Nice. So the sixth string, we usually have it in E, so you have to drop it off. I mean, to drop to D. So I already did it, but this is D. Then the fifth one is usually on A, but we have to drop it at G. So it's gonna be D and it's gonna be G instead E and A. So both strings are gonna be one tone below. So the fourth one is usually on D and we gonna keep it on D. The same like the third one on G, and then same like the second one on B. And the last one, the first one, is usually in the traditional tune is on E, so we are gonna drop it to D. So it's gonna sound like this. Right? So no, I'm gonna lower down this mic a little bit. So again, it's gonna be D, G, D, G, B, and D. And it's gonna sound something like that. This is not a good guitar for a slide, but I still like to do it. So I'm gonna show you. Okay, see you the next one.